In this video, I'll cover the use of the library discussion tool from within the Leeds Reading List system. You can leave comments on a reading list or on an individual citation if you have queries you want to raise with the library or any information you want to make the library aware of. To leave a comment for the library concerning a reading list in general, open the list in question and select the speech bubble icon from the right-hand side menu. The number in the circle tells you how many existing comments have been made on the list. Next, type your comment into the box and click Send. This comment has now been sent to the library, who will be alerted to act on it. If you find you've made an error in your comment or wish to remove it, hover over the comment in question and click on the rubbish bin icon on the right. To leave a comment for the library regarding a specific citation, hover over the citation and click Full Details. Then select the Library Discussion tab and repeat the process. In both cases, newer comments will be displayed at the bottom of the discussion list. If you make multiple comments on a list or an item, the library will be alerted to each and will respond accordingly. The library may respond to you via the library discussion to update you on the progress of your query. You will also be notified via email if the library has left a comment for you.